dinding ntela watu fa ninga fo hana uniform primary school uniform ko aga kolyatul ma bakele so ndol we have been wearing one uniform for 2 years.
Uniform clean.
You ko all year we have been going to the market for selling cold water anka jisma wafile nka watu nan buso la time all aning ay yalon anon tam wanter la baldi nyenda dara birka magara so modul bala wanter ita fala elder rose la nyendi no nga wafiro jamal gala ninga mim foy na dindi ya nga soto le katum background on num manstron nung so after then Assalamu alaikum mbadi malin sinyo malin kanuntel anem birkama dunke alba dawda biogas city so yale right now we are in Oldenburg city mum fangola moleti no ntemala fanolti so right now city ala artist also ala fanol fanan from Gambia all the way from Birkama so Birkama call elder Roseland dindingol tero karialo nyame then I come to city so today to share my life with you guys and listen as well. Karunte from city la listen as well. Then today other people are also gonna listen from what I'm gonna say and then also city from our interview. Then city for the Gambia no leti and kata bake wala tinante fongo ya kanu because of na Gambia dingola ane mol me bando ka ila story la ane other team sol mini yalon ko lafta ke findi dina mol kam then city ko mako rol na fe na ka mol findi ni mol kam then although the city la do ko ndol fana ngole je then although that this is where we know because of Monday yele la but although them fana city long ala banko ding do ko bambani nyamen ndol city lo wala kama so wala la ko dian ndol fana then city ndol fana na fa la platform would be Elder Rose from Birkama young artist living in Frankfurt inside Germany so be ndol fana mbale jang with body yakano Elder Rose bijela no then I hope so.
Hello, assalamu alaikum, welcome again on CD So Akata Famoti. Anybody watching us today, BK, we are back again with you guys for almost, let's say, 2 weeks break just for holidays for myself, but now we are back again. And it's going to be very interesting. A young man, me along with Gambia, among Canada, back with another Kudola. But he have also a special story, but not just story. The man is an artist in the Gambia, me along a young artist, a Wulikanang, Mojamaya along Gambia. But nonetheless, we're going to surprise you with that. But you know what? There is nobody who is successful without a story. So, beating, we'll get to know this person, who he is, about a childhood, and I inspire and I just love this guy because he's a big fan of CD. So, for that being the case, you know, na fans of lang, we want to see them coming Ebasanto. So for that being the case, hey, stay tuned. Remember this, those of you who are watching CD So, Momo you want to go to Gambia in December, almost met rental car, if you car rental is in the Gambia, and if you want to have your own car in the Gambia, you can have you can take Gambia, you complain, hey, now it's just right now, Kamotota per car rent. With renting car. So stay tuned with CD So, and for one chance left me follow the wall. These are what smiling coast of Gambia or the smiling coast. Atamu Msafono company doing you know, a startup company in the Gambia. They're doing great, amazing work in the Gambia. So these people, they really loved what I'm doing, and then they just being the people. City, we want to send you a shot from the Gambia. For you to, so how beautiful the smiling coast is. So guys, if you want to buy this, just contact me, and I will give you the contacts of these people in the Gambia. Part of the Smiling Coast family. Okay. Good. Hello, assalamu alaikum, here. Welcome again on CD So. My name is CD Shedikan. Nakachal dung kakaminte mealanko is very important. Na geso sojang momo na la talent lam, momo na la fahikat lam, fahikat walong jaman ko, you know, they have their own skills. So for that being the case, we have a young boy mealanko mfola jarang ko lam Japine. It's my brother, I would say. Jarang ko ntalbe brother and as a Gambian, mashallah. So for that being the case, this boy is a very humble person and a big fan of CD So, but nonetheless. So, brother, welcome again on in Oldenburg, and welcome again. Welcome to CD So for a long time since we have been trying to schedule a day to meet you. Finally, you are here. Guys, the fans are watching you.
Yeah, CD nge kontom back, the form CD la fan, thank you for bringing me here because until be banko dingolti. So you are also so in support. We are also so in support the same way. So be okay in for the CD Fongolama, and then I'm here with CD, and then I think it's gonna be a nice interview with me too. Yeah, artist from Brikama. I am Elder Rose from Brikama. My name is Molamin Toure. Nteto Molamin Toure until I was born from Jara Japine, then brought up to Brikama. So Brikama and Kol Wali Lombaka Dina na Jara Fonti. But being South go Brikama Boyo ne Jara Bo le Bale Jambi. Yeah, I hope it's gonna be interesting.
It's going to be interesting, of course. But just wait and see. Good. I know. Look at the young boy, huh? But he's out of the league. So right now, I'm under market, no? He's not in the market right now. So a very handsome boy, very hardworking young boy, very passionate. Elder Rose, a talented young boy in the Gambia. Basically, not long ago, another Germany, brought by his own wife. Happy person, happy boy. I'm really glad that you're here. A big fan for that matter. You have been following all the interviews I've been doing. He can even explain to me one by one all the things that I've been saying on the interview, which is just amicable. I couldn't believe that I have people watching me several times and then they love what I do. But Elders, before we continue, before we start anything else, tell me, what inspired you to watch CD So? When did you start to watch CD So? Maybe not the money because
yeah. Okay, CD So older than I can say. I think since I get in Germany here, then I think I have been listening because I never know CD So before. Man CD long no. But older than I think coming to Germany, and then I think I just came on across your
video,
your video on YouTube. Then I click on it. Then I see CD So. This person is in Germany here, and then I'm Gambian oldie. Then that little page I see your videos, then I realize that Iba dogu kendolela, Iba Gambia dingol, whether musician or lambang, whether other people want to see their life stories in Gambia here, and the Molmia Kolea cool sort of, and then it's like you speak it out and then you bring them on your interview and then bring them out, they share their teams with people. So it's like when they inspire, then it's like you are also encouraging because then people came with their different stories. Then you encourage and then you emphasize for them to do more what they are doing and then what they can do more. Yeah, so I think then we inspire. And then CD from yeah, because it's like Marlon personally, but I have even watch over because I have interview remember they are in here. So I think CD and today is the first time officially, but older than I have been following him for a longer time now since I have been in Germany here. So
brother, it's a pleasure meeting you. Wallahi, I love you when I see you. You're very passionate, a very happy person. Coming out from everybody, more. You have your own unique way of understand. So just be yourself, and that's it. So I'm just happy that I could at least inspire many people like you. And so finally you are here, and I am really I'm amazed by what I have learned from you. Guys, coming out from stay tuned and listen. So I'm gonna continue from you now. Let me just start like this. Maybe before we continue, I just want to say this again. This is Smiling Coast. It's a brand from Gambia, Amelia & Co. They're a young startup company in the Gambia. So they are the one who really sponsored me with this beautiful shirt, and I love it. And it matched my style. So hey, thank you so much, Smiling Coast Gambia, down there in the Gambia. So if you want to have this beautiful shirt like this or that, hey, I'll put down the contact number from these people in the Gambia. Alkananyina, Momo and Gwef in Denkolton, Bill number Safela comment Tokono. I'll say contact Momo and Fasana in the Gambia. Smiling Coast of the Gambia. So we continue with the video. Elder Rose. First of all, tell us Itlam Dimati, your childhood. Maybe tell us something about Itala Dindiya and Falang. We come up to that. Before we go to your music, we need to get to know you, your stories, and then we can start to talk about the music.
Yeah. Okay, Lamur Lale, older than I am Elder Rose, until Elder Rosti, but older than two form Molamen Turelti. Go Gambia no Rally Lonyame. Yeah, until Molamen Tureti, then Uluta Jara Japinella, Jara Japinan Kolialone. Yeah, I hope so. They are gonna feel nice to watch over my videos because Jara I'm from Bodla, I'm a big fan of it. Yeah, so Jara Japinan Kol Elder Rose Labijan B, I'm born from Jara and then Kuluta Brikamale. So this is what where we know Brikama ngola long back then ngana sate fana lon nay no bal jara bola munti plus Brikama boyo yeah elda bolti ngana dinde ya beke Brikama le
so Brikama ngola mo
yeah I can say Brikama ngola mo ngara Brikama organita de ka fena Brikama elda rose ibinam busila na village molbulu
so I say ni ko chancha ite what do you think are you Brikama, do you see yourself Brikama or Jana Japanenko?
Oh, Neo for Neo. Canadian Nasati Molie Bonte, Carungala and Brikama Musati, but older than Brikama Bankoma, Regala and Nasati Molvataranco, even Gapunam, even half a Brikama. Caronilla and Nasati got Nimcom Brikama, Nimurun the Yalam Midasila Brikama, one of Brikama told Kuna, so Brikama, Nala Brikama, Ulu the Jara level, Brikama Tamun Tibak.
Ole Concon.
William Concon, I told them. Yeah, Brikama and Roll in the say to Lafane Lombak, Dinna Nasati from Otikai. Yeah,
Mashallah, Mashallah. Elder, we have seen that coming out of Germany not long ago. I'm to be like, let's say 9 months. Maybe you can tell me how long it be Germany?
I'm a Germany from last year November to now. I think now it's 9 to 10 months. Yeah, not complete 10, but 9 to 10. So
last year November.
Yeah.
I'm more from Sifolo.
Yeah, more from Sifolo.
I think I would say 8 months Sifolo. Okay. Wow. So
John government Jigutol, Dolan Jigutol to Germany. Bolfana and Furalali, Jefana, Cabinara Jagamani Jang, Jigutol, Gamunim experience, Jigutol Gamina experience, and Bolfana Folali, and know.
So like Gambian only, Nkatam Menjugal, before we continue, Malo Momi along Qualifata December in the Gambia, right? And you also want to enjoy your vacation in the Gambia, to have a wonderful time in the Gambia. Yalan Gambia Benjamin sign thing. You're not enjoying Gambia if you don't have a car. So now we really work so hard to go in our country, vocation kind of holiday, right? So I'm rent a car, car rental to me along Gambia Bangkok. They only rent automatic cars. Nila from motor rental, Janibita, what they do is pre-booking. Well, Janibita, you have to book first. Put make sure ko yere moto landieje anytime in akang either ya samana airport or more clear topic from their office. If you want to know more about Oman rental car, you know, contact them in Basel Duma. You can just call them. It's either in the Gambia or in our head office from in Holland. So my guys, Momo Yalan Kokara Gambia, and you really want to enjoy it. How does it feel? Tell us a little bit about childhood. Tindi malam ya obstacle also before and what were the things that you know safuno ko koleal matila me ko fujanni bo futal level because hamadum franka koleal. Yeah. Tell us a little bit about your childhood. Let me say.
From my childhood, older than a koleal soto and a dial soto. Therefore, Tonyake, then it's like Ntanga Mama Kulu soto. Yeah, Mama Kulu soto, and Nanga and Mama Bab. Over the other Yomo, and Mama Lenkulu, Mama Lenkulu, grandpa,
Mama Kulu,
then Brikama along from those years, like from 2 years to now, we have been living in Brikama with our grandparents, not our biological parents, but our grandparents. So, Ngamirang Ola side the Lombake. Okay, na dindi ya fadanga kolia cool sotole we have been to school. I think then it's like man no siri school ke dal. Nga primary school like karon because of mama ala dimba siatale. So until be bola kono. What to do is like nyamar na school ta later demanding. Then after then kindergarten manata or we start from primary 1. Then this is where we have started from. Yeah. So na dindi ya nga ke brikamale. Nga kolia cool sort of jele nga dia cool sort of is like when I sometimes come here hadamadi ngola hadamadi ya to wato do nga sile nga na dindi ya time will miss all the things will min happen ta minute ambida ninda my manke miss but nga kolia cool sort of minute ambida nga miss nga fala no I don't want to go back to those years because nga cool miss le but nimurunda je ku jamal ba kolia da mimba dunna nyorante then time is no la so nga dindi ya ke do karan tolmo dindi ngola de mi yalanko then life man so ne ya don ko kolia I think what do like a model convince la mini lombi doli lom musical la bi dol maybe because of our fame and being here but iman na come along okay, so then no leje be itara to abdu wala na Gambia, they think everything is fine.
Yeah.
Atra ndol fana tammi da ku jama la bijani ba futala level oto. So ndela dakai jama nam mama wal I thank them so much because it's like nga fuare jama la face but all the time I thank God that I can write because of them. All the college to mankarang mamal mankarang but all the yentul karandila we can help them. So I think we mago back from primary school. Yeah.
Even the jibil. Akamala ko say itela yajala ko mamalu after all the difficulties can be faced, but yet still they want to make sure that you people get what you need. Yeah,
itole ko ya ko jamal so ka mama nitol ya fo itol ka fo nentul mankarang. So itol mankarang itole yung Quran karang all like any dara la time all then it's like English school they have not been there hanila mobile on like a cool bundi nyota ngam ro be data so itol mankarang but all then like it was good that the yantol karande so it's like we are benefiting from it, we can read, we can write, and then I think this help us personally and then I told for mako because of ni mankare din ngosoro why nga kolya cool soro school soro le kabrin din ya time all birin school la nyantol to birin su kono me alonko not like maltreating but although nga kolya cool sort of like kolya cool like financially because of during our school time kara motor from kolya during those time even the long kamen samba uniform all school or school bags and other things it have been tough for me and ntedu ntama dindi ngolti mi alonko ni lonki jama bu kada school and nita so school or samanda rek ngana lonki do ma junal karon tol ni less money la kada school or so all the kana lonki do ma junal school or le after break time nyamra nyaka ba mo nyodol fel mi bam buru kumbal do maka nan kudol so it's like life ko ya tala natra iba dindi jama ko no molla soto blol man kanyang so we are from different backgrounds so ni na school to wato dol to rough tell the tonya kenak even means na childhood time explain then I was rough like personally rough like being so dirty dol ka sela du dol sad nga ko ga school to gadi no to ni daraje dol lan du ta katila bat na il faut mo wol ka fara wol ko ka fara bagale
mashallah
so ngo sifal experience jele life to anim fana ku jamal la keten nga be buga fono but older than city bija.
So tell me which school did you attend in the primary school?
I attend Kabafita primary school Kabafita ataba Brikama Kabafita lower basic school from primary 1 to 6 but older than the Lions also because we went up to primary 6 and then we were not able to go to junior school
because of financial means
because of financial problem also ntenga 1 year biggest jisma wa fo le Brikama marché kono le
so amanja camera don't worry about camera just itelen take kacha camera ubanta jibe kan so iko kala ware obokundla iko ay mum nak jisma wa fo eldero sal kan nyimin jeda ntenga jisma o jamala wa fi Brikama marché kono hurin huba nga bele long because of like nga je master min ka tara marché kono kablen somonda 8 o'clock for in the evening 8 lenga say suokoro so ndolka jisma wa marché ko ngo fana ngari membala iya do sotota nyanta kata junior school and then the school fee was $750 $700
$750 but this was difficult because of the mama mi yankulu extended family la babul wato do la ka kolya la prayer ay ko keno mobe hanata ba kala buga keno ni in time so I think then that was my obstacle to go to junior school because of $750 the whole year school payment it was $750 but older than Tolmaso to Gajo. So Ian don't drop out of school. Not because of that we want to drop out, because of financial issue. And then for the whole year we have been going to the market for selling cold water. Anka jisma wafile, nka watu nan buso la time all aning aisyalon. Antem wanter la bal di niente da Brikama gara so modul bala. Wanter. Ita avla elder Rose la nyindi no. Nga wafiro jamal kala ninga mimfoy. Na dindi ya nga soto la katum background on monstron nung so after then nga wafilol ke marché tole andong tenga duta fajindira wafile nga tending ko ma wafile nga wanjo wafile nga morongo wafile nga nyambu jambol wafile padare jambol somanda juna ma bananos like ninga fo atabana oldo nak ngala mama ni mama la kay ngem kadu ndol fananga like kan ngi support wato mbuga ko ke no ba doyarine so I think nga ko jamala ke no dindi ya time on water cool ba kolari
okay so you wow, after all those things you will be experienced at that young age, junior school time.
Junior school, what primary school time found. So
and wow, 750.
Tell
us. Yeah, but I think big respect, bro. So itara saya study ko let me decide to sell nata amara sanga wa afro ke pro ko do sefo.
Yeah, no, amange purka kodo safe. Wa don te mama I adindo biye no wala sanjo man jam fanyola ni nje kamra flani wala. So aka mulunde fengol ni min sanga ko wala sanye ka fa seni sane. So ni min sanga ko wala sanye ningi I min so don ko wala so. So aten dana dal ko wa afro fananke. So I think kabino iya ko leata den mama soto bulo ko leata den anata seni samba ala sister do ya nyomi. Then ntami mama waringote because I love my grandpa so much atlende kulu so ndetu data fankoro. But although naga during those time because I'm at school, so after I have to sell the family nga join kang ni mama musul nga ta birka marché kon wafiro not like to save for school fees but all then nga ming wafiro ngo no bagal ka mama jigitan na le ko nyako yalla ndadi yata wantero la wo mo kabe so after ninda jisba ka sambagale so never ke febole ninda wo fananka art ndol fananka na do mani also to walto ika lonki di mo la but during the whole year I'm not going to school because of drop out then kada jisma fola then wo jisma ningol wafi kontongol ka wolte kan dawol sa wolto wato dol manol fongo boro bu katara su kono like daily ningo wafi ro kamina
ha alcohol dum
okay en kole dum so it was tough yeah
it depend ale do ko lungo
yeah en kole dum kay aga kole ale en kole
mama CEO he will be very proud nya story my sensante nana abatra smile kan
yeah mama was smile like no can be right now if mama ringo basir in Frankfurt in Germany
Almania mashallah yalo aboli nyama ka fole ko para ko stada solo kono yalo yakal mo ko kodo bawol wala fanka ma wa tamata ajinen ka bang badala tamontumala maybe ya come here for you do just sharing jaga samira ko you have everything on the table yalo bala malong ko Kolial data dulalto. That's the hustle start long way run. Yeah, on a long time. So being here today, Samira coming. Like at one back way for. At all flight on another just about dunia younger. Yeah.
What be yellow kai? Karo nyamra wo mo jamal even right now. Right now. Ngam ngalo na mol miyalong ko ka. Then they are still interested to know my post, what I'm posting and other things. It always seems to them like Nintendo live be cool day. Then because of imanna kululo you bill along. Yeah, ngalo ne nitul kana stirisol jibe kana media jibe they think everything is fine. Elda okay, cool bela so nyari ngama nunta nung. So nine story mi bije mi lombi. They didn't know this behind the scene because of this happens mol mi long kunu wale long. So today nga fame means so wale na our activities all along. Why koleal men tambida no na dindi ya time more then it's like I think they have no idea about it. So that's why then they can go everything is okay because I'm going to Europe and coming and then other things are happening. So everything was fine. Yeah, it was not fine. Ngalo ne watu dul alka cool kolendile then it's like you have to learn from the lessons you pass through and then I na cool fali. I think mo be kala follow nyam nga kole aso ngana ngala bandia so but all the mo abaka dia mo komi you can say that in life everything was fine and then you see yourself down again. I think mo bali all the from kolea then anala bandia la ngala wala dia dafa.
All dia beti. Will you tell us era school male senior school? Do you continue after Sanjay Kilungo ngena batru kale kana continue?
Sanjay Kilungo nyen kabirengo okay man Sanjay Kilungo move manda school ngada wafiru le marsedo then the following year then it's like in Atamurundi primary school I have to repeat grade 6 again. So this means I na midsol ibora grade 6 itara grade 7 intamanta school I was drop out then itara grade 8 what time wala intamurunta na grade 6 ko repeat. So it will at grade 9 what time wala itara grade 7. So I come to gonna bad midsol side two years ben nitima because of sort of bulola karola akeda wala jawo. Yeah.
So in that school mala senior school?
Senior school I attend Kabafita Upper Basic School. What Kabafita Sana Senior School also. What junior school them also from 9 to 10. And then this is what I have been there. Yeah, wow. Attend the school in Kabafita.
Mashallah. Wow. So what is your best memory in school time? Oh God, like one of the most memorable time is in your school times.
Okay, because of so much memorable time in my school time because during that time in the school I participate in drama activities and then in the school the program since day one. So I think the teacher do be five brother arms new activities all kind of school like entertainment side. I can use no wala bake. So that also gave me joy because of entertainment and music. Woman life and soul that from young. So we at in the school kono nip just like everybody is proud to see me. So ngo dra just the school kono like nip tamire class or like everybody would like to go to be elder also like at. So I think always kind of feel, you know, guys, like I always remember this because it was nice that Ninada school or Kabara school, it's like, yeah, it was nice for me because on Kafalo.
It's a comfort zone for you.
Yes, comfort zone for me. When I went there, it's like I feel like a prince.
You feel accepted and loved by the people around you in the school.
Yeah, because of activities all minki. So
I can attest to that.
Okay, when na kodi and moli and kudo because of Balina boys or Kunjama Damalga school or
tell me one.
I'm sorry, Prince Mr. Dabo, because of Nina Boizola, Kongala student Chefel disturb Bagale. Wado do la Gatina. Agatina la.
Prince Mr. Dabo.
Prince Dabo Kabafita. Yeah, because of Nina Boizol, gangster crew. Yeah, I don't know what Ramandia commanding all Masungo all normal school, then all the way school didn't all disturb Bagale. So Prince Nyamanga Jekole and Dabo, what nice school activities or do for them because of Boizol. Yeah, but I bet you for Prince Dabo, Mola Mialanko, I. Principal ola mi alam ko ay kuja moja mal life falim because of like what all student ol kunka jalan ka stubborn but all that time principal ol mi alam ko strictly den mol buka hanyal jama ni bala school re ka regrile I told him in dinda fonta nyina la kabrina grade 9.
So do you think that's good or bad?
That was good because of like yeah ngado from na class ngada na boy so la class ko ngada fi ala je ngamuru na class
so kenya yele nyedlo de
ko ataninda bendo stay sol kan bala told din la nyamre de ko min biye building ol be la banda ko hiya ko e mola tulo bum break time mol yo la get to bigo de mo kanyina la wala ino
mashallah.
Yeah.
So it's a yeah, coming cool. Mana cool will be teachers come more like coming like it's good for us as students.
Yeah. Older na Kababra school then I think older na Biden school older during those time all camera ko nila Alpha Alman ko do Surita school kendo to like ila karao buka beria where it sometimes the camera from alla school buka English come for atola school to wol buka karan kende ke alla teachers all from Mandaga. But older na I think the teachers all then they try best for us because of every day older na they were beating us every day because of like
Almanya.
School order wala ntola kuloti yala over to abola ya like diam kana de no bute but ntol nyabra to so us the way then ntol ya bute jamal ke de nga fete ente I used to receive 100 lashes from school.
Are you living in the diaspora and looking for a safe, reliable, and instant money transfer service to the Gambia? Then APS Money Transfer is your number one stop shop for all your money, cash power, and mobile credit service. You can send money for cash pickup, send money directly to any bank account in the Gambia with our instant bank deposit service. Send cash power and mobile credits to family and loved ones in the Gambia. These services are available 24/7 online. Enjoy more cash pickup service with our extensive branch and agent network coverage nationwide. Enjoy your holiday without worrying about running out of cash with APS Holiday Cash Service. With this service, you can send money to yourself whilst on holidays in the Gambia with your European or US bank card. Visit any of our APS branches for this service. Our Senegal and other African customers can send money to any mobile wallets or better still, send it as cash pickup. APS Money Transfer Service is a service the way it is supposed to be. Instant, reliable, rewarding, and convenient for everyone. Send money, cash power, or mobile credits with just few clicks on your mobile phone, tablet, or computer, and you will experience the most easy and convenient money transfer and top-up service. APS Money Transfer Service is where you will be rewarded for your loyalty and patronage. Download APS Money Transfer app today from Google Play Store or App Store, or visit the APS website on www.apsinternational.com. APS International, the number one choice for international money transfer to the Gambia and other African countries.
Yeah, I think the budero nga budero jamazo school or other school. They from an intilo boy de mam buter so nga content na wolungu I feel happy. It's like cool get a current day. The budero juro current like see.
Inna lillahi.
School or other school and then intilo from boy da mam buter juro so like nga kontaan nga fa bi okay ñamal mu free prisoner TV.
Wow. So come here. Everybody have a story. It seems like in our school time was a memorable time. Both, I mean, you can see coming ko ayo experience when it helps you to grow, I guess.
Yeah. Way help like I got what schooling time nunga it was difficult. Come nyamra all from bang affect katung janimba language speak la Korea but nga teacher those schooling time. I can find Mr. Fadera because of whatever we wrote on the board and then we have copied this and then we have to read this one by one. Yeah. And then during that time it was difficult because of told me no sirikena. We started from primary so na monyo doli understanding so until about these letters. But I think na smartness le mako because then although man clever but during our school times our teachers they have belief in us. Because there's like they think that okay that we are good enough, yeah, we can make it. I think then the strictness like reading by force to write well and other things. I think that it was hard for me because on time sometimes when I go home I pray that Natija Alma Sama Jadaka school he have to die. I need to fall, you know. I'm in school. No, Budi la follow nga dead with teachers. So Hanna teacher naga diamlands and go by and ga wisla nuyepa. But all the Kala Buti because even right now I benefit from it when I make handwriting, even from Gambia, even write down in Germany when I write on the paper, they ask me where do you learn your handwriting? Na teacher mo good handwriting. So although like to write properly, I can more Buti all times table and then reading. So I think that I start reading and then we're writing from grade 5 to grade 6 because during those times we got our writing all man correct for but it's like to speak and then to read it was difficult. So nimbo English come from Gatara school for grade 12 sometimes it's even difficult to speak English with someone. So sort of Gambia. So all the I think a teacher means sort of strict so I can more booty la nung phone nada mako reading na nung and then to speak the language. So I think answering I always feel thankful about the booty role behind during those times. But right now I'm not a voice like that but I think this helped me because of cutting without you for me it was difficult because of Gambians are bijel more baffling in the farm. They have finished school and then when you talk with them in English language sometimes it's difficult that then they can express what they want to say in English. So I think because of language in Kamalu Lekafo
communication
so yeah.
Wow. So now we're gonna ask you, when you're in the Gambia, we know young people are very eager coming back with her. Was it something that you also have in your mind? Because we know that young people are really eager to, find the easier way, and many believe that Europe is the way, and Europe is the only option. Was it also for you like that? You want to take the back way?
No. For me, it wasn't like that. Nga story Jamal Mwela and CD for the interview to carry more story in Mankling, more la school for the Mankling. I think more personality left Munda and Kunta Dame for the Mankling. Muga more believe what you wish for yourself and what you want. I think I depend on the mind in the Mina Kuntantano. So the boys will be they went to Bakwe and then they have this mind that they want to go. Some Dolia Fanyala and then they make it. They even come to Germany here and make it and then now they are traveling going back. But I also have friends who died, they didn't make it. I also have friends many are going out of Sloak and they went back to the country because of they didn't make it. So I'm more financial mean father. But other than that personally then it's like more minds sort of kataning tamola like Bakwe. I always have this faith in me. I like to travel, but other than when it comes to Bakwe then not that time than I never want to go anywhere.
Now make a back way mahanya.
Antemahanyi Geo because on the Geo from one side from Temahanyo, so on the Melano Geo from Monroe City. Honey cooling on Mugabula, so yeah, so I think for Mimfanayati Navana, Nakarolas like what do Nyambra Mum believes on Coco Nintara. One day, Mialanko pass through this journey, not only to Abu, they pass through certain countries before one to Abu. So I think na personality manhani can live blood Mialanko je Kariala Ninta Deunda Mama je Gadeunda. So always go from Mama and go on Tamawula. I can boys Mudasilo, Nienda Mudasilo, Matoloje, Mbajaveresu, Langa go to Nage. And the side Mbajamola, Lamanga Kekulayati. I think laughter Munala, Kadunta from Hanya Kudo, Mialanko Lamoral, maybe Alman Hanyola. Yeah. So I think this is different. I think laughing the
No, laughing the cool. More be monkey back with Tamalat.
yeah, so I think then tema mind so the kata. Na boys all tired but all the next like.
I mean, I totally, respect that. I know for this is what the question. The reason why I asked you this because I want people to know that not everybody wants to take the back way.
Yeah, so.
You understand? No matter how hard it is, and you're finally here. When time comes,
yeah,
it's a time or not. So I mean, that's it. Be janda be man na back way.
Although the ngam karafa alamal go alay man silo kay tonya kanak ntema wis kata jede but although if I told them it's part of my destiny to bring me to Europe then it's like then ba alabul wo fana bakela this is what I believe because then ngalo na moli hamulo so pour can make I always pray that God whether I'm in the Gambia here or outside I want to make it. I just want to make it. I don't believe that if I went outside I can only make it because for me my personality I always believe there is something here wherever I am. Before I die, boy, I must make it. So
you will make it
because there is something for me in the future. I always believe that there is something lying for me. Yeah.
Always believe in yourself and have hope. If you're doing anything else without hope, without faith, it won't work. So possibly, I hope so, I dreams also, and finally he's here with us. Let me check it out. 1 minute.